physically, but we made it possible to celebrate on virtual platform even with more enthusiasm. Friends, we are living in the country in which we remember our God before starting any good work. Now, I invite respected Chandak sir, Bhogwani sir, and Gandhi ma'am for lighting the lamp in front of Ma Saraswati. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Pranay sir, Chaya ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, and Deepam ma'am for Saraswati Vandana. Thank you, sir. And dear teachers, the entire surrounding has enlightened with the prayer. न Soraharya, न Rajaharya, न Bhatruvarjam, न Bharakara. Vyayam Krute Vardata, Eva Nityam, Vidyanam, Sarvadhana Pradhanam. It cannot be stolen by thieves, nor can it be taken away by the thieves. It cannot be divided among brothers. It does not have weight. If spent regularly, it always keeps growing. The wealth of knowledge is the most superior wealth of all. Now, I request respected Motmani sir to welcome our guest, respected Chandra sir, with the floral bouquet. Thank you, sir. I welcome you all to this inter-school virtual science exhibition. As we all are aware of, this event is of great importance as it will offer an opportunity for our students to put into practice what they have learned in virtual classrooms in this pandemic situation. This invariably means additional research, creative thinking, learning from those with experience, and most importantly, the realization that there are certain things which cannot be learned by books alone, but need real life experiences. Till last year, our school was taking the initiative to organize inter-school science exhibition. Around 150 students every year used to participate in that also. And this year, apart from all the technical barriers between us, our school has come forward to organize online inter-school science exhibition, that is inter-school virtual science exhibition 2021. To more enlighten this event, I request Dr. Murmani sir to guide us for 2 to 3 minutes. Sir, please.
Excuse me, मोटवानी सर. Excuse me, sir. मोटवानी सर.
Yes, sir.
सर अगर माइक ना यूज करें और डायरेक्ट फोन से बोले तो ठीक रहेगा, ज्यादा क्लियर आवाज आएगी.
अच्छा.
कर सकते हैं मतलब.
You are right, Adil. Audio is not so good. Did you listen to me, Adil?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
No. Audio is not so good.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I can see. I can see that audio is not clear, sir. Just a second, sir. We are making some changes.
Hello. Now it is clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Very clear. Very clear.
Okay. So we have done the changes.
Yes, sir. Please do not use mic now, sir.
Acha. A very good morning to all of you. Respected management members of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Shri Niranjanji Raut sir, Vice President of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Shri Yogesh Ji Pandey, Joint Secretary, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Shri Prakash Ji Chandak, Treasurer of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Purushottam Ji Mankar, Member Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, all the respected jury who has joined in the inaugural ceremony, respected Principal Madam, all teaching, non-teaching staff, and all my dear participants. Today, we have assembled here for the virtual science exhibition. We are arranging this science exhibition since last 3 years in the row. For the last 2 years, we have arranged the science exhibition in the physical manner. But this year, due to the COVID pandemic, we are arranging this science exhibition on the virtual mode, online mode, because research and the scientific development is very important for the student. This year, we are arranging this science exhibition on the occasion of the National Science Day, that is 20th of February. Why this National Science Day is being celebrated? Because Sir C.V. Raman has invented the Raman effect on 28th of February 1928, and he was being awarded a Nobel Prize for Physics in the year 1930. For that reason, we are celebrating this day as the National Science Day. So on the occasion of the National Science Day, we are arranging the online or the virtual science exhibition. Basically, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal is the parent body which is managing the Orchid is there, BBA is there, MBA is there. This Shikshan Prasarak Mandal is headed by the chairman, Dr. Raju Deshmukh. All the executive body, all the executive members of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, they are all striving continuously hard to provide quality education to the rural population of Nagpur district. Always the Shikshan Prasarak Mandal is having the motive to do all-round development in all the students. They're always thinking that students should be capable in the all-round manner, not only in the academics. He should be research-based, he should have the scientific thinking. For achieving these motives, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal is always encouraging all the institute to organize some type of the innovative things. This year also, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal has granted permission or allowed Orchid Public School to organize this science exhibition on the virtual or the online mode. On behalf of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Katol, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, I like to wish all the participants a very best of luck for this competition. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking words. Now, I request Dr. Sujata Gandhi ma'am to address the audience.
My salutations to Ma Saraswati. A very good morning to all. We, the Orchid family, is highly honored to host our traditional science fair on the occasion of National Science Day, which is celebrated in India every year on 28th February to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. The year 2021 changed us all, and the pandemic created the opportunities for us. Though we can't come together, but we will remain together. The virtual platform gave all of us the way out to be in touch, maintaining social distance. True education is one of the pathways that makes wisdom a priority. This pandemic couldn't become the barrier for us. And again, with profound love, this year too, we received the overwhelming responses for our inter-school virtual science fair with 130 participants with all the reputed schools of Nagpur and Katol. We started this tradition to organize science exhibition with a motive to allow budding scientists to showcase their talent and learning in science with much practical and scientific approach. And for this year, platform was made in groups and categories where right from classes 6 to 12th and from the science and commerce field, also the pursuers of diploma courses were also encouraged, as we wish to develop and encourage in young learners an attitude of research along with the critical and analytical thinking. This year, the inter-school virtual science competition and exhibition became a medium for us to popularize increasing awareness between the science, technology, and society. To witness this creativity and innovation at its best, today we are honored with various luminaries, which includes all the members of Shikshan Prasarak members, our respected management members who are the backbone and pillars of strength for us, who are always there with us with their support and blessings, which lead us not to move without, or which lead us every time, whatever in whichever activity we feel like proceeding. I welcome Niranjan Raut sir, Vice President, Shikshak Prasarak Mandal, Shri Yogesh Ji Pandey sir, Joint Secretary, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Shri Prakash Ji Chandak sir, Treasurer, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, along with Shri Purushottam Mankar sir, also an important member of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal. A person who is like a strong pillar or a bridge, who always keeps a balance for everything, Dr. Suresh Motwani, our Management Coordinator. I welcome you all, sir. The higher we are placed, the more humble we become. The best quote, which appropriate suits the panel of judges. I thank the principal of Hislop College, Pratik Michael sir from Nagpur, Principal Dr. S.K. Naveen sir, Nabira Mahavidyalay Katol, and Principal Rupali Day ma'am from Modern School, Koradi, for the support in extending their help by providing wonderful juries. Without the juries, without hesitation, gave and without a second thought, gave their kind consent to judge this competition. With us, the juries are from Hislop College. We have Pragati Patil ma'am, Anisha Michael ma'am, Gurjit Kaur ma'am, Pramod Theng sir, and Alha Chimote sir. From Modern School, we have BG George ma'am, Jaya Nair ma'am, and Anita Nair ma'am. From Nabira Mahavidyalay, we have Kalbande sir and Adil Jivani sir. Thank you all the juries, as you are going to play a major role today. I wish to appreciate all the teachers, parents and students for all your efforts to participate in this competition. Last but not the least, आज मराठी भाषा गौरव दिनानिमित्त सगळ्यांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Let's remember the eminent renowned poet, popularly known as Kavi Kusumagraj, on his birth anniversary. Now, all the best to all you participants. The platform is all yours now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your speech. Now, I request respected Dr. Naveen sir, Principal Nabira Mahavidyalay Katol, to share his valuable words with us in 2 to 3 minutes. Sir, please.
Thank you so much. Honorable Vice President Raut Sahab, Joint Secretary Pandey Sahab, Treasurer Honorable Sri Chandak Sahab, and Mankar Sahab. Dr. Motwani, Madam Gandhi, and all teachers, parents, students, judges, wish you, wish all of you a very happy morning. I deem it an honor and privilege to be a part of the inaugural ceremony of virtual inter-school science exhibition. Truthfully speaking, occasion like this is to inculcate among young children the spirit of scientific temperament, the spirit of inquisitiveness, and the spirit of rational approach to nature and the world, instead of accepting anything blindly. And this is so important and so vital in one's life. This has been since ages. Our Vedas and Upanishads are there to teach us. Don't just believe, accept a thing after your logical mind is answered satisfactorily. Young students should be allowed to use their minds and hands together to promote and further the spirit of science. Never believe in superstitions. Superstitions blunt our minds. I congratulate all participants and faculty who have motivated, inspired, and prepared their students for today's exhibition. This will help take our nation and society. Thank you. Thank all of you. Thank you so much.
Motwani sir.
His few words.
Good morning, everybody. All the online guests, Dr. Motwani, Dr. Mr. Gandhi. I'm very pleased that, like every year, our school is organizing this science exhibition. 3 years ago, when Dr. Motwani put a proposal to organize this science exhibition, we got permission to organize this. I readily agreed for it and suggested him to make it a regular feature. Every year it should be organized so that the talent from rural area will have come and they will get platform to show their talent. And these last years I am visited the science exhibition, visited most of the projects and appreciated their talent. I am sorry this year it is not possible for me. Still, I wish all the participants the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your presence and your words helps us always to motivate ourselves. Now, I request respected Raut sir to share his words and declare the inaugural function.
राउत सर प्लीज माइक शुरू कीजिए. वहाँ अनम्यूट की बटन होगी सर, वो क्लिक कीजिए.
अनम्यूट.
हाँ सर, हो गया सर. अभी आप बोल सकते हो. हो गया सर, हो गया.
Yes, sir.
पण दिख नहीं रहा.
हाँ दिख रहा है सर. सर बराबर दिख रहा था पहले.
चालू कर. एक मिनट.
कशावर आली ती लिंक? लिंक कशावर आली ती मला? लिंक वर डबल क्लिक करा. ही लिंक झूम ची लिंक कशावर आली होती? व्हॉट्सअप वर आली असेल ना?
नहीं स्टार्ट है, जूम चालू है, सिर्फ वीडियो ऑन कीजिए.
राउत सर,
सिर्फ वीडियो ऑन कीजिए बस. जूम चालू है सर.
वीडियो
लिंक वर जा. व्हॉट्सअप लिंक वर जा. लिंकच आहे
ही लिंक आहे. जूम चालू कीजिए.
सर जूम चालू ही है सर.
हाँ अभी चालू हुआ था सर, वीडियो चालू हुआ था अभी.
हो गया चालू, हो गया.
हाँ हो गया ना.
हाँ सर हो गया.
आप चालू. हाँ सर.
आज मराठी दिनाचे औचित्य साधून मी मराठीमध्येच बोलणार आहे. आजच्या प्रसंगी आमच्या ऑर्किड पब्लिक स्कूल तर्फे आयोजित जी दरवर्षी आम्ही विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी आयोजित करतो, या प्रसंगी उपस्थित आमचे प्रकाश भाऊ चांडक, मानकर साहेब, पांडेजी, मोटवानी आणि गांधी मॅडम, तसेच आजच्या या विज्ञान प्रदर्शनीमध्ये ज्या काही पार्टिसिपंट्स आहेत त्या सर्व आणि ज्युरीज. आज जो ऑर्किड पब्लिक स्कूल तर्फे विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी आयोजित केलेली आहे, त्या प्रसंगी एक विशेष काही सांगायचं म्हणजे असं की आम्ही ही दरवर्षी आयोजित करतो. मागच्या वर्षी सुद्धा ह्या 100 पेक्षा जास्त एंट्रीज आलेल्या होत्या आणि या वर्षी काही 200च्या वर आलेल्या आहेत. यावरून नवीन विद्यार्थ्याचं विज्ञानाच्या प्रदर्शनी मध्ये जो भाग घेण्याचा जो कल आहे तो वाढलेला आहे असं लक्षात येते. खरं पाहत आपण जे गेल्या वर्षी, मागच्या वर्षी जे कोविड वर्ष म्हणून एक आपल्या देशाला एक शापित वातावरण निर्माण झालेलं होतं, ज्यामुळे आपल्या देशाची पूर्ण उत्पादन कमी होऊन जीडीपी सुद्धा कमी झाला होता. याचं कारण काय की सर्व कारखाने वगैरे सुद्धा सर्व बंद झालेले होते. याचं कारण असं होतं की आपल्या देशामध्ये ऑटोमायझेशन झालेलं नाही आणि या ऑटोमायझेशन न झाल्यामुळं उत्पादन ठप्प झालं. तुम्हाला माहित असेल याच्यामुळे देशाची बरीच प्रगती मागच्या वर्षात मंदावलेली होती. या उदाहरणार्थ विद्युत विभागाचं जर आपण थोडं आकलन घेतलं तर आपल्या देशामध्ये थर्मल आणि हायड्रो जास्त विद्युत तयार होते. आजच्या ह्या नवीन पिढीनं ऍटॉमिक काहीतरी शोध लावून, विज्ञानामध्ये चांगले शोध लावून आपण इकडे का वळत नाही, जेणेकरून आपल्या देशामध्ये विद्युत ही विदाउट इंटरप्शन आपल्याला मिळेल. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनी या बाबीकडे विशेष करून लक्ष द्यायला पाहिजे. त्याचप्रमाणे या आजच्या ह्या विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी प्रसंगी आपण जे सर्व आमच्या शाळेच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये सम्मिलित झालेला आहात, मी सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो आणि आजचा हा विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी सुरू करण्यासाठी मंजुरी देतो. एवढे बोलून मी माझे 2 शब्द समाप्त करतो.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. स्वगृहे पूज्यते मूर्खः, स्वग्रामे पूज्यते प्रभु, स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा, विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. It is our great honor to have wonderful and intelligent jury members with us. It is my privilege to announce the jury members of our today's program. B.G. George ma'am, Modern High School, Koradi. Pragati Patil ma'am, Hislop College, Nagpur. Jaya Nair ma'am, Modern High School, Koradi. Anita Nair ma'am, Modern High School, Koradi. Anisha Michael ma'am, Hislop College, Nagpur. Gurjit Kaur ma'am, Hislop College, Nagpur. Vipin Chandra Kalpande sir, Nabira Mahavidyalay, Katol. Pramod Theng sir, Adil Jivani sir, Nabira Mahavidyalay, Katol. Allad Chimote sir, Hislop College, Katol. I welcome you all. Hislop College, Nagpur. This judgment will start at 10 o'clock with the certain links. Now, not a single program is completed without vote of thanks. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Snehal Mandavkar, on behalf of the entire Orchid family, extend a hearty vote of thanks to all our guests for gracing this event, Inter-School Virtual Science Exhibition. We would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Honorable Shri Niranjanji Raut Sir, Vice President, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Katul. Shri Yogeshji Pandya Sir, Joint Secretary, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Katul. Shri Prakashji Chandak Sir, Treasurer, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Katul. Shri Purushottamji Mankar Sir, Member, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Katul. Thank you, sir, for taking out your time from your busy schedule and inspiring us with your words. We would also like to take the opportunity to accord our hearty thanks to all the jury members for their valuable support and experiences with us. Our sincere thanks to all the school principals for allowing your students to participate and for your cooperation. I thank all the teachers and dear participants for your hard work. We are fortunate to have Dr. Naveen Sir, Principal Nabira Mahavidyalaya Katol, to extend a deep sense of appreciation. Dr. Motwani Sir, Management Coordinator, for his all-time encouragement to make every event a great success. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal, Dr. Sujata Gandhi ma'am, for her enormous guidance, support, and cooperation in the organization of this event. I also thank our dedicated and motivated teaching and non-teaching staff who took every effort to make this event successful. And now, with the kind permission of the chair, I would like to announce the conclusion of the program. All the participants and jury, I request you all to join the link at 10 a.m. shared in the marking sheet with you. I request all the participants to join 5 minutes before on the link provided to you. Thank you, one and all.